Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your payment not completed in your Apple ID. So guys, if you're also facing this problem while purchasing in App Store and iTunes, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So as for that, you will have to simply watch this video till the end. So first of all, go back to your home screen, and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to simply remove your payment method for one time, and then you will have to add your payment method in your iPhone again. So for that, open settings in your device, tap on your Apple ID and tap on media and purchases, and from here tap on view account. So as from here you will have to simply add your payment method again after removing it for one time. So for that, tap on your country or region, wait for some seconds. So guys, tap on change country or region, select your country according to your debit or credit card. Here is the list of countries. I am selecting mine, and after this wait again for some seconds. So guys, tap on agree, again tap on agree, and from here you will have to add your debit or credit card correctly once you have removed it. So I simply add your credit or debit card number and then date of expiry and the security code, and after this add billing name according to your debit or credit card and add your billing address here, and don't forget to enter your postcode for your city correctly. So guys, add your postcode for your city correctly, and after this give here your phone number. So guys, add your all the details correctly, and after this go back to your home screen, and from here check if the problem has been fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you will have to sign out your Apple ID for one time, and then you will have to simply force restart your iPhone, and then you will have to sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So I tap on settings, and from here tap on your Apple ID or your profile and scroll it below and tap on sign out. So I simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this force restart your device and then add your Apple ID again in your iPhone. So after this check if your problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the final solution, that is you will have to simply open your browser. So guys, from here you will have to search for sport.apple.com. here it is, tap on this and wait for some seconds, and from here select your device whichever you are using right now, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here tap on get sport. So as once you tap on get sport, you can get any help from the Apple authorities or Apple authorities team. So guys, they will help you to fix this problem within 24 hours after you report your problem to Apple authorities. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.